With neural filters, you'll be able to fix damaged images like this, and then you should be getting something more professional like this. But it's not everybody who have access to the neural filters. I'm going to show you how to fix this. Imagine you have your own grayed out or faded out. You can access that. I'm going to show you how you can actually access this. So all you need to do is to go to the help option here and then go to sign in. You need to sign in. This is going to open in the browser. So this is going to open in the browser, and then you can log in with your Gmail or create a new account. So I'll just click on this, and then I'm going to log in with my Google account. So select your right Google email you want to use. You can see you are signing on. This automatically will log you in, and you can see now I can close my window. So after signing in, just come back to the filter option. You can see this active. If this is not active, just make sure you close and then restart Adobe Photoshop, and then you can see the neural filters will now be active, and then you can even open it. You can see the options are now active that I can use. So imagine I want to fix this damaged picture. I can just go to the photo restoration and then make sure I turn this on. It's still under development, so it's under beta now. So let's wait for this to load, and then you can see there are options over here. Extract. You can see we have the scratch reduction. The scratch reduction here, I can actually fix this just by increasing this to just about 31 or 30. So let me go ahead and increase this a bit, so just about 30. Let's see how this is going to fix this image for us. And there we have it. You can see how this picture has been transformed. At the moment, you can actually improve on the photo enhancement, enhance the face and all that. I'm just going to end it here, but before that, let's try and then add some colors to this. So under the color, just go to colorize and then enable that. Let's scroll down here, and you can see the saturation. You can actually just improve on that, and then we should be seeing some color added to our picture. So if you have a damaged picture, you can actually use this option to fix that. There are more options here that I can see here. I can add some option, add some more red to this image, and then I can click on OK to get this image back to normal. So you can see we've been able to fix this using the neural filters in Adobe Photoshop. Subscribe if today is your first time, and don't forget to turn on post notification so that I don't miss any of my future videos. Bye bye.